everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your NB Medical account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your NB Medical account, first open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.nbmedical.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of NB Medical Education. Go to the top of the screen and click on the account drop down and choose login to nbmedical.com option. In the login area appearing on the next page, you'll need to type in your email address followed by your password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click the register button and follow the on-screen prompts by entering your information in the text boxes. If you already have an account, go to the login tab and type in your email address. Make sure to type in the email address associated with your account, and now head over to the password field and type in your password correct for your account. You can double check the password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Once you type in your credentials correct, click the login button and you should be able to get access to your NB Medical account right away. Soon after you click on the login button, you'll be able to log into your NB Medical account. That is how you can easily log into NB Medical. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.